All right, I'm going to start stripping down the rest of the bike tonight. I'm going to get it right down to the frame. We're going to degrease it, bring it down to the car wash, pressure wash it, and then we're going to sand it down, get rid of all the rust, and get it prepped for paint. All right, so just a quick update before I wrap it up for tonight. A few parts came in. Our manual came in. It's a used one. I think I only paid like 15 bucks for it. They usually run around 30, 35 new. So when you put air cooled on there. But I have to say it was definitely gently used. The spine of the book doesn't even look like it's been really bent over. And it's actually, the production date on it was 1990. So this is good for the 83 to 88. So this is actually, what's that make it? 30 years old? But anyway, that's going to come in handy, trust me. We got a new brake handle, new old stock, Kawasaki. I didn't pay a lot for it. You can get the cheap unbranded ones. They're like $7, $8. I think I paid 10 or 11 for this for the new old stock, so I prefer that. We got a clutch cable. This is a used OEM I got from a guy. But I got to say, this thing was definitely in much better shape than I imagined. Usually this rubber protector right here, that's usually worn. There's usually cuts in it. You might get a little bit of surface rust on here. That's the chrome's still good on it. This rubber boot's still on there. They're either usually missing or ripped. Cable's not bent. So definitely happy with that. I can't remember what I paid for it, but it wasn't a lot. It was reasonable. It wasn't cheap, but it wasn't a lot. But anyway, some parts are starting to come in. I know these videos are a little bit short, but I'm waiting for some parts, and I'm waiting for a magneto puller for the motor, because we're going to dig into the bottom end of that. Once we start digging into that, the videos will definitely be longer. I'll probably do that kind of like a how-to kind of thing. So look out for that coming up. It's just silicone. Got scared there for a second. I thought maybe we had a hole there, but anyway, so that's it for tonight. Like I said, look out for more videos. Just trying to keep you guys updated. So that's it. Hopefully the next video we'll be diving into that bottom end.